Happy Friday, WRCC fans, and we've got another exquisite new arrival in on this Friday afternoon at WRCC Mk2. This time it is in 1970 Snowberry white. It's not Old English, it's Snowberry white. Two-door saloon. Again, this is the second time we've had this car, and we bought it back because of the quality of it. And as you can see, it is very, 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 very nice. It's going to be priced at the top of the price range for a saloon, as was the Clipper Blue one that we advertised earlier on in the week, and the maroon one. It's on at 11,450. We have got some cheaper cars in, and we're not trying to push the price of saloons up, but we've had to pay a premium for both this and the Clipper Blue one because they are so nice, bringing them into stock. So if you'd have something very, 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 very nice, top of its tree, condition-wise, then this one and the Clipper one, which is in there, and the burgundy one are for you. So I've gone round it a few times. It's got a lovely shine to the paintwork. It's had new wings on it. The underside of it's absolutely excellent. The chrome's absolutely excellent. Paintwork's got a lovely shine on it, lovely finish, nice panel gaps and whatnot. There's the odd blemish on it, and they are only minor blemishes, but as I always say in every video though that you'd ever watch, nothing is perfect. Or I'd never describe anything as perfect because you're leaving yourself wide open to criticism. No bubbles at the bottom of the doors. The apertures all nice and lovely. Nice clean gutters. Air posts nice and clean. Like I say, all the door apertures are nice and clean. Lovely new carpets. Lovely new seat covers, all matching. The quality of finish on the interior is absolutely lovely. There you go. Lovely new headlining, new sun visors, new cars, new pulls, matching red inertia belts in the front. So that makes it even nicer. Nice clean steering wheel, no chips, cracks on it. Showing 93,000 miles. It's got 7 previous keepers on the logbook. It's got nice new glove box liners. Glove box liner there. It's got an extra mirror as well for some reason. New kick panels. The interior is absolutely beautiful. The exterior is absolutely beautiful. It really is sort of a local show quality, or local show winning quality car. You could take this to any show and be proud of it, and you could also go out for drives in the country and it to the seaside because it drives absolutely superbly. I will give it a start for you. So it's cooled down because we've just had us lunch, so give it a little bit of choke. So last peaky interior, superb front seats, superb back seats. All the chrome and it's good. It's got the eyebrows on it. All the top mouldings and whatnot are good. Original with regards to no upgrade, so there's no servo. It's got electronic ignition on it, but there's no servo, and there is no alternator, which we can obviously upgrade for you, not a problem. Engine bay is really nice and clean, as you can see. Really nice and clean. Again, sort of local show standards. You can take this to any show and be proud of it. One last walk round, so no bubbling anywhere. Nice clean car. Have a look in the boot. So boot floor's all clean. No fiddly edges on the edge of the boot. The aperture's all nice and clean. Inner wings are all good. It's a very, 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 very nice, tidy car. And on at 11,450, which I've already said. Further details, give us a call. So it's WRCC Yorkshire Minor Centre. Telephone number is 01422881221, as you can see. email inquiries at wrccmorrisminorcentremorri6506, and this will be live at www.wrccmorrisminorcentremorri6506 before the end of the day. So yeah, so we've got that saloon. If you're after a smoke grey saloon, we've got this one. So I'll just give you a sneaky peek of that. Just detail the engine bay, new radiator to go in that. So give us a call if you're after a smoke grey one. It's a nice car. Trafalgar blue one there being prepared. We've got a white 4-door coming in today as well, which is exactly the same as this one, but it's white. It's a 4-door. We've got an almond green 4-door being prepared there, and obviously the burgundy one and the clipper one. So the beauty of doing videos inside at West Riding is not only the weather, and you get a bit of view of what we're doing as well, so you can see what's coming in, have a look, something tickles your fancy. You've seen it here, same as the Traveller there, waiting for its new wood set that's just been painted. That's to go on. If you're interested, give us a call, speak to Dan, that's me, in sales, 01422 881221. Cheers guys, and have a good weekend.